Our goal is to help the biopharma and startup companies by providing them solutions to make their lab work easier and more efficient.
We are an incubator for bio-based startups.
We were excited about giving them the opportunity of using a bioreactor, and the feedback that we got from the different participants was really good.
We have some 30 startups here at the moment.
We also support them in their work by offering hands-on training on the bioreactor.
It's really nice to have hands on the bioreactors and being able to play around with it. It was really helpful.
For us, it was really rewarding during our practical lessons because everybody was participating.
I think it was interesting to see how bioprocessing can be applied in different end uses, like in different industries, for making vaccinations or alternative proteins. It has many uses, so that was interesting.